Now, the application of ultrasonic wave. First, in medical science, by using the ultrasonic wave gives the treatment of liver, kidney, heart, etc. Second, in chemistry, in testing of hole in object. Third, in industry, in cleaning of very small object. Fourth, in agriculture, the ultrasonic wave can increase the growth of plant. Now, the reflection of sound. If you know the laws of reflection of light, then it is easy for you because it is same as the reflection of light. When the sound travels in a given medium, it strikes the surface of another medium and bounces back in the same other directions. This phenomenon is called reflection of sound. It has also incident angle, reflected angle, incident wave, reflected wave, and normal. Now, laws. First law is incident sound wave, reflected sound wave, and given normal lie on the same plane. Second law, incident wave angle and reflected wave angle are equal to each other. Now, some practical application of reflection of sound. A stethoscope, hearing aid, sound reflector or sound wave, megaphone or speaking tube, whispering galleries. Now, echo sound. Echo is a reflection of sound that arrives at the listener with delay after the direct sound. It is a type of sonar. We can say when any sounds arrive the listener after few seconds of delay, it is echo. Now the uses of echo. First, by the help of echo, we can find its velocity. By the help of echo, we can find the depth of oceans, bat, hunt, and by the help of echo, fly. By the help of echo, we search any object inside the ocean. In the fog, whether aeroplane fly by the help of echo.